Hello guys, welcome to my channel English Literature. Today's topic about William Blake. I'll give you some important point about William Blake and short summary about these poems. So, let's get started. William Blake was born in 28 November 1752 to was an English poet, a good painter and a printmaker, and he was died in 12 August 1827. Largely unrecognized during his lifetime, Blake is now considered a seminal figure in the history of poetry and visual art of Romantic age. In 2002, Blake was placed at number 38 in the BBC's poll of the Greatest Britain. He produced a diverse and symbolically rich imaginary which embraced the imagination as the body of God or human existence itself. Blake vision God dressed his face to window. At 8 Ezekiel appeared. At 9 saw angel on a tree, having strongly image power. Blake revolutionary views, politics, religion, literature and science. Blake anarchist, attracted by revolutions, 18-year independence of American colonies ideal for whole Europe. Eyewitness burning of Newgate prison. He wanted freedom and love for all. He was opposed to private property establishment, church, formal government and machinery. Blake poetries are simple and direct, no sentimentality, one Blake child and scholar type. Short criticisms can be enjoyed by children but need to understand for deep meaning. As a scholar consists system, use metaphor or pure images. Poems for four level written by William Blake. First of all, literal. Poem can be read simple. Moral, series of moral commands. Allegorical, some dogma, and anagorical is mystical reading. So guys, this is all about William Blake, and next we'll be back to the summaries of William Blake. So first of all is Lamb. Lamb written by William Blake in his Song of Innocence in 1789. Lamb poem describe a child innocence and pure heart who do not know adult selfish life. The lamb compare as God. The lamb is a poem which refer to the innocence of Christ and also talks about the mystery of the universe. The poem is about a child who is asking several rhetorical questions from a lamb about his birth and upbringing. So, next poem was the Chimney Sweeper. Chimney Sweeper written by William Blake in his Song of Innocence in 1789. Chimney Sweeper poet described children's condition in London where his parents sail his innocent child for church where he sweep chimney, and poet describes small child condition where he scared about his head hair were removed by Christ, but having a dream an angel who told he is when you doing your work properly, I'm with you for saving yourself. So child were very happy and does his work happily. So next poem was The Divine Image, written by William Blake in 1789, and this poem also in Song of Innocence. The poem talks about love, pity, peace and mercy. Some of the quality of the poem is akin to the hymn of Isaac Watt and other hymn writers who influenced Blake, some of which would be the simplicity of the statements and ballad meter used in the poem. The poem relates four virtues with God and his child man. God lies in man, and that makes human from divine. Loving man is therefore like loving God. So we are next moving to the Song of Experience. So first poem is the London, written by William Blake in his Song of Experience in 1789 also. In this poem, poet described London poor political condition, or also describe marriage or prostitute condition in this place. Now next poem was the Sick Rose, written by William Blake in his Song of Innocence in 1789. The rose is described as sick because it is a symbol of innocence which has been renewed by the warm, a symbol of experience. Now next was Tiger. The Tiger, written by William Blake in his Song of Experience in 1789. Here the poet reminds the reader that a tiger and a lamb have been created by the same God and raises questions about the implication of this. The poet also uses the image of stars in heaven to give a picture of far-fetchedness. He also put question to God, asking him whether he is happy to see his work in this earth. So guys, this is all about William Blake and his poems. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel.